What exactly is gadget parenting, you may ask? Well, it is actually a rather unique type of parenting technique that involves using technology such as tablets, smartphones, and computers as a babysitter for the little ones. In this kind of parenting, the parents are quite skilled in using technology and they find it as a useful and easy to use tool for their little ones. This mode of parenting is indeed the most convenient and probably the cheapest option out there in long run. So, is it definitely good? Well, yes, for emergency situation or when you badly needed some me time. However, for long term, it might not be the best choice. There are several reasons why gadget parenting may not be the ideal for long-term use, and it's essential to consider them. If you like the content in this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get an update of my new videos. And if you feel it's useful, please share it to your family and friends. First of all, children need emotional, mental, and psychological security from their parents or caregivers. Gadgets, on the other hand, can't provide that kind of support. They simply cannot give the level of emotional warmth and connection that parents can provide. And that can be extremely important for a child's well-being. Secondly, children need human interaction. With gadget, there's not much room for that kind of interaction. The mommy gadget is just a machine and merely an object for entertainment or maybe an educational tool for learning. It can be intriguing, but it lacks the emotional depth and personal touch that is vital for a child's development. Lastly, let's not forget about discipline. Children need discipline to feel safe and secure. Gadgets can't provide that either. They are not the right tool for instilling a healthy sense of discipline in a child. It's important that parents spend time to help their children develop healthy habits and routines. After all, we are growing a human being, not a machine. If you find this topic intriguing, or if you have further thoughts on this subject, feel free to share them in the comments section below. And be more than happy to engage with your opinions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.